lose all the points. So, honestly, okay, this point is...
This is one of the strangest things that I ever seen here.
This is a
I guess so.
5 points, this one. Honestly, I remember, and this is this one. Oh God.
Oh my.
I remember in Finland.
Oh.
And then if honestly, and then you lose your points. And I remember, you know, we had a few drinks, and honestly, we could play until 4 o'clock. And you're almost like a 98 points, and then you lose your points when the
But like, how do you identify this position?
This position.
Yeah, you should know.
I don't know.
No, but then if the pigs touch each other, then you lose the points. Right.
Touch?
No, they don't touch. Even once I remember I had 95 points, and I said, I'm going to win this, and then my pigs touch each other, so I lost all the points. Okay. Now you can see.
I can't understand.
Yeah, you're not intelligent enough. This is